Hello, YouTube. This is Largo64 again with something more on the death penalty. For the moment, at least, I want to just state my philosophy on the topic. I know I'm still in the minority, and I admit to having been in the pro-death penalty majority at one time. But I have come to believe that the cold and deliberate taking of the life of a defenseless person, no matter what he has done, is not justified. At one time, in man's early history, there were no prisons, and no way to separate a dangerous person from the rest of the society, and prevent him from hurting more people. It was relatively more reasonable to kill that person than it is today. But with modern high-security prisons, escape is virtually impossible. A dangerous person incarcerated without the possibility of parole cannot hurt anyone else, except possibly other prisoners. I know that some Christians or Jews will quote an eye for an eye, a tooth for tooth and a life for a life, but they should realize that, rather than a prescription, that was a limitation on punishment. Punishment should fit, not exceed the crime. And, again, we have other means than death to protect ourselves. I really believe that carrying out executions degrades all of us. Since protection is clearly not the motive, it leaves revenge. If revenge is appropriate, then perhaps vendetta should be allowed. Let the victim's family carry out the killing. I doubt that they would feel any closure from that. Even if they would, I object to having them carry out what I regard as state murder in my name. Of course, my primary objection to the death penalty is its finality in the face of the possibility of error. I don't believe we do right by society by taking even one life wrongly, even if the protection of that one life allows many guilty to go unpunished. We cannot assure that no one person will injure another. All we can do is try to deal with criminals after the fact. But we can be sure that we do not kill any innocent person by refusing to kill anyone at all. I welcome your comments.